Hey gorgeous, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, hello, I'm Alberta, but you can just simply call me Albie. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieved this beautiful hairstyle. This is not my natural hair, you guys. Neither is it a wig. It's not a wig and it's not my natural hair. Okay, part of it is my natural hair. So if you love to see how I achieve this beautiful hairstyle that looks just like my 4B natural hair, then please do keep on watching. The extensions we are using today is actually crochet extensions. So this one is from Hair Given Hair. This is from Hair Given Hair, and it comes with some instructions to follow before you use the hair. Okay, so I'm going to quickly show you guys the hair before I follow these instructions. So this is it. 1 2 2 3 4 5. Texture is 4B4C because I have 4B type of hair. It's in 20 inches and the color is natural color. So I'm about to start with the braid pattern. Listen, gone were the days when we used to do crochet hair without leave out, but now we do crochet hair with leave out, and I'm going to show you guys how it's done. Okay, so I want to go for a middle part, but once I'm done, right, it's going to be so versatile that I can even
now I'm just parting my hair
different kind
for
of
the leave out.
hairstyles.
So the part of my hair that I'm going to be leaving out is what I'm sectioning out right now. So I'm going to be leaving out, I'm doing like a middle part, so I'll be leaving out the middle section of my hair and then the sides as well. You guys are going to be seeing all of that in a bit. Then I'll just braid it down into cornrows.
So this is what it's looking like now. So now I'm going to start doing cornrows at the back and then do some in the front row as well. I'm going to braid this. I'm going to sew this with a thread and needle. This part, I'm going to sew it into the hair with a thread and needle.
Finally done with the cornrow. So this is the cornrow pattern or braid pattern that I'm working with today. Okay, next is to start crocheting. This is the crochet hair. It's a feather crochet hair, as you guys can see. So it's very easy to install and also remove. Okay, so what you are going to do is to pass the crochet needle through the cornrows and not through your scalp when you are crocheting. I always say this because it's very important to me. Our scalps are very sensitive, so the last thing you would want to do is to pass needles through there. So just pass it through the cornrows. Okay, secure it, and then you just pull it out. That's basically it. It's so easy to do, and look at how the hair looks. So beautiful. This hair is actually really beautiful. You can leave it like this or comb it out like I did after I was done with everything. So I'm going to leave you guys to enjoy the rest of the video, and if you have any question for me, do well to leave them in the comments section. So look at how the back is looking right now. So pretty. Now the front, look, to be honest with you, I really didn't even have to leave part of my hair out because the blend is already amazing. It blends so well with my hair.
I'm filling the front first before I move to the back again and fill that part, because the front is very important. Once you fill the front, you can use the remaining hair for the back.
Now to the main reason why I left part of my hair out, okay, is to see how well the crochet hair will blend with my natural hair, because I have type 4B 4C natural hair, and this crochet hair is also in kinky texture. That's 4B 4C. So over here I'm spraying some water to my hair, then apply leave-in conditioner, and then I just went ahead to use a brush to detangle. I first fingered the tangle, then I went in with a brush to detangle. So I'm making use of this leave-in conditioner from Maxim Cosmetics, and then I just went ahead to detangle. And the blend, you guys, the blend, listen, this is not my first time working with hair given hair or collaborating with hair given hair. This is my second time, and I would say their hairs are really good. I won't lie. The first hair I have from them is a half wig, which I still have. Anytime I want to use that wig, all I have to do is to just maintain and just to take it through maintenance. That's to detangle the hair, and you are good to go, because it's kinky texture. We have to treat kinky textured hairs, wigs, just like we will treat our natural hair. And over here I'm just taking out the cornrows so that I'll just blend my natural hair with the wig. And can you guys see the blend? Can you see the blend? Can you see the blend? So after the middle part, I just changed the style to a side part, and I was absolutely in love with this hairstyle. I was so much in love with it. If you are new here and you've been able to watch up to this point, and if you've not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, please, subscription is free. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now. Peace.